All right, so it's the fall of 2025, and you're trying to sign in to Desmos Amplify Classroom. This is how you should do it. First, go to desmos.com. Go down to say, I'm a student. Once it loads, enter your class code. After you enter the class code, you should see a button that pops up that says join. You don't see that before you enter the class code. If your class code is expired, maybe you created your classroom a month ago, it's probably expired now. So you got to go back to your class code. The teacher has to go back to the class code to make sure that code is reactivated, and then you can join. It should pop up join. After you join, don't use Google. Don't use any of this other stuff unless somehow your district has made these things work for you. You most likely need to sign in through login with Amplify. This is what most people will sign in with. But don't do it just yet, because it doesn't know who you are. So you have to hit sign up first. So go down where it says sign up. You're going to sign up as a student. You can enter your username, password, create a password. And this is what you're going to tell your students to do. And they're going to hit create an account. Now, they can hit log in with Amplify. When they do that, you're going to hit this again, and now they're actually in. After that, from that point on, whenever you hit log in, you can just hit this button that says log in with Amplify. It should remember your password for you, and they can get into the classroom. That's how you sign in right now. So it may change later, but right now, that's the only way you can consistently sign in. Hope this helps. Good luck.